Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to be solving title case a sentence challenge from the FreeCodeCamp curriculum. Okay, so if you are just here for the final answer or solution, that's fine. Check the description below. I'm going to add the timestamp and you can jump straight ahead to the final solution. But if you want to see the approach, the step-by-step of how we got to the final answer, let's get started. All right, so first we want to understand the challenge before we start solving it. So title case a sentence, return the provided string. So we'll be given a string as an argument and we want to return it with the first letter of each word capitalized. Make sure the rest of the words is in lowercase. Okay, so for the purpose of this exercise, you should also capitalize connecting words like there and of. So we are capitalizing everything. Okay, so let me copy this. And for example, this right here should return this. Okay, so I is capitalized, A is capitalized, little capitalized, the T is capitalized, and pot, the P is capitalized. All right, so like we always do, let's first write our pseudocode. I'm going to delete this from the previous challenge. So given a string, that's what we'll be given. Okay, what do we want to do? So we are told to make sure that the rest of the word is in lowercase. So first of all, let's convert the entire string to lowercase. That's the first thing we do. Okay, then after doing that, we want to split the string so that we get an array of the individual letters. So split the string into an array of individual words. Okay, so that it's not just one string or one sentence. We get the words separately. Now, when we get the words separately in an array, we want to loop through that array. Okay, and then for each iteration of the loop, what do we want to do? Each time the loop runs, we want to capitalize the first letter of each word. Okay, then after that, we want to join the array of words into one string, back into one string. And then after we've done that, we just return the resulting string we got. Okay. All right, so let's see how we can do that. Okay, so now let's write the code for our function. So we're going to say const, remember what we said we wanted to do? Want to do lowercase, okay? So str dot to lowercase. Okay, now when we have the lowercase, convert the string to lowercase. After we've done that, we want to split the string into an array of individual words. Okay, so I'm going to console.log lowercase words. Okay, as you can see, this is the lowercase words. Everything is, I'm a little teapot, everything is in lowercase. Now, once we do that, we say we want to do words equal to lowercase words dot split. Okay, now I'm going to console words. Let's see what we are getting. Okay, as you see, we are getting this right here. I'm a little teapot, but it's just one item. The whole string is treated as one item in the array, but that's not what I want. So I'm going to bring this right here, and now it treats individual letters. We don't want individual letters, we want the word. So I'm going to bring a space. Now, as you see, we are getting I, a little teapot. Okay, so each word is separated. Now we can change the first letters into the capitals like we want. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say let final sentence equal to an empty array. Okay, now let's go back to our, so we want to loop through the array. Okay, the array of words. So we need a loop. I'll say for, okay, let I equal to 0, I is less than words. Mind you, we are looping through the words array. Okay, the words array. Words dot length I plus plus. Okay, so what do we want to do? For each iteration, first let me say const current word equal to word I. So the current word is going to word I, which is the first, so it's going to be words I, which will be the, for example, the first iteration, this will be the word. The second iteration, this will be the word. The third iteration, this will be the word. So that's why I'm using word I. Now, the first letter is going to be current word, okay, index 0. Okay, so for the first iteration, there's the word, and the first letter is going to be the I. Okay, now this backslash, if you're wondering why is there, it's because of the apostrophe we have here. All right, now let's do title case. Okay, so that's the, here is the important part. Title case is going to be current word dot replace. So we are replacing the current word. We are replacing it with what? With first letter. Okay, and then, so current word dot replace. So the replace function takes two arguments. The first is what you want to replace, and the second is what you are going to use it to replace. So we are taking the first letter, which is a small letter, and we are going to replace it with first letter dot to uppercase. Okay, so for example, if the first letter is I, we are taking it out and then we are replacing it with I to uppercase, which is the uppercase I. Okay, now after doing that, we are going to say final sentence. Remember, we have our empty array here, final sentence, and we are going to push title case into it. Okay, now let me console.log final sentence. Let's see what we have. Okay, you see what we have? We have an array, that's I. The small I has been replaced with capital I. The A has been replaced with uppercase A. Lowercase l has been replaced with uppercase L. Lowercase t has been replaced with uppercase T. And lowercase p has been replaced with uppercase P. Okay, all right. Now what I'm just going to do is I'm going to do return final sentence, but we don't want to return an array, so we are returning, so we're going to join it, and we're going to say okay, I'm going to clean this up as well, and let's do a console log before the return. I'll say final sentence. Okay, let's say dot join. What do we have? Yeah, we have a little teapot, but with these comments. We don't need this comment, so I'm going to bring an empty string. Yeah, now everything is together, so I'm going to add a space like so, and this will space them. So that's the way the join works. If I bring dash here, you see we have this dash between them. So I'm just bringing space. That's what I want. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, and that's what we are going to be returning, like so. Okay, so that will be it. Let's run the test. Let's see if we pass. Yeah, that's it. So this is our final solution. If you came here just for the final solution, this is it. But if you have been with us throughout the video from the beginning, thumbs up. I hope you now have an idea of how to solve this challenge. Okay, so if you solve this in a different way, I would like to see you approach. Be sure to let me know in the comments below. If you also have any question, you can put it in the comments. I would answer it. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. All right, bye for now.